Hi, my name is Senior Airman Jose Angel Ruiz. I am a Missile Maintenance Team Quality Assurance Evaluator for the position of Topside. I work under 341st Maintenance Group for Malmstrom Air Force Base. The PTR is in the same. It's a Payload Transporter Replacement for the Payload Transporter III. The point of Payload Transporter Replacement, the PTR, is specifically to improve our security measures to help improve our movements and convoys. Both the tractor and the trailer are both upgraded in different ways. Tractor-wise, we went from a cab over to a conventional, so that kind of changed the way turning radius works, but also we implemented more like ballistic armor in the cab, so that's considered an upgrade. In terms of the auxiliary power unit, we changed it to a more high-tech one rather than the old one that we had, so now we don't need things such as Hear Pro, so it's kind of helping with our hearing in the long run. And then trailer-wise, we have LED lights on the inside, so our lighting is much better than the old one. And also the hatch that we have inside, it's not as heavy, and it just kind of helps us with the heavy load that we have on a day-to-day basis. When I was first told that I was going to be the one getting certified on PTR, I was pretty excited. It was a new truck, nobody in the world certified on it, and nobody really knows about it. So for me to be hand-selected, to be the first one to be certified with this new truck and be trusted by the Air Force, I was excited. I want to get hands-on right away and help shape the future generations of the ICBMs.